Hey all, Spence Platt, episode 3, hold that title. Welcome to episode number 3. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going back to a piece that I painted over a year ago and used as a social media Instagram post. But I want to take it to the next level and create something more of a finished piece of art that could be framed and enjoyed that way as well. So the next step for me is I don't really like the heart. I think I'm going to get rid of that and then build upon the story of the young lady here with the broken heart. So let's build upon that story and see what we come up with. All right, so I jumped in there and used a picture I took of a house, a little Victorian house here in Santa Clara, and kind of blocked out a cowboy rides away scene here to build on the story that we already have. I think it's looking pretty cool. We'll get in there with some inks and kind of firm things up and see where it goes. Next step, inks. All right, so inks are done. Next step for me today is colored pencils and some marker. So let's get to that and see where that takes us. All right, so pencils and markers are done. Next step for me is to jump into my watercolors. I ran to Target, got some cheap brushes made by Handmade Modern. synthetic bristles. Thought I'd give them a shot. I'm pretty hard on my brushes, so I don't spend a lot on them. These were less than 10 bucks. So let's see how they do. See if they can take the abuse. All right, let's go. All right, so now we will see if I can make the old story fit with the new story in some cool way. Next step to do that is to do some ripping, tearing, and some gluing. So let's get to it. All right, so there we go. Everything's pasted down. I still don't feel like it's 100% cohesive piece. So we're gonna go back in and probably drop in some more watercolors in here, and then we'll hit it with the acrylics and really bring the whole piece together. So let's see how that goes. All right, so I've kind of brought it all together with adding some more bright colors in there and really making it feel like one piece. Next step is the acrylic gel medium. This also helps. The piece didn't glue down very well in some areas, so I'll use this to get in there with a little paintbrush and knock down those edges. So yeah, that's our next step. I'm back because I forgot the other part of that step, which is to sign it. This is going to be an ongoing theme, I think. All right, so I'm pretty happy with how the two pieces came together. And next step is to take a picture and do a quick digital edit for our Instagram feed. And so let's hit that. All right, so digital ed's done. I'm gonna put it up on Instagram. You can check that out at Spence Platt. You can find my original art at spenceplatt.com. Links down below. Only thing left is to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. All right, guys, thanks. I will see you on the next one. Bye.